you can't call that a coincidence, because when you know the signature of the market, you'll be able to recognize. So now let's go to the I'll be expecting the market to give us this previous day's high. That will be my next target for the week. So on Nasdaq, we'll be watching at 184.16.25. That will be the level we'll be interested in the coming week. At least the market should be able to give us something above that. But personally, I'm eyeing as far as 1,600 round figure. So I'm eyeing 1,600 round figure in the coming weeks. So, but the low hanging fruit will be 18416.25. So that will be the low hanging fruit. But I will also be interested in 1,600 round figure. So let's see how the market moves. There is no need for you going short on Nasdaq for now, only if you are ready to scalp, because there is an opportunity to scalp. But if you are going short on Nasdaq without being a scalper, that means you'll be fooling yourself. Now, the level called on S&P 500 was 514.0.33. You can see it was delivered on Monday, and it was later delivered on Thursday and on Friday as well. So why? Because the market have to revisit the liquidity void that was created between Monday and Tuesday. Look closely. The liquidity void that was created here. So the market traded back on Tuesday. The market traded into the fair value gap up to the consequent encroachment. Then it moves and gives us the level we are anticipating. So that will take us to the coming weeks high targets. The coming week target will be 5189.26. So let's change the coordinates. 5189.26. So that will be level I'll be interested in the coming week on S&P 500. A quick run to Dow. On Dow futures. Dow futures record a movement towards 39,283.36, but the market does not give us that on Dow futures. But it does not give us, but I'm still watching it. I'm still watching it. Why I'll be watching it? What I'll be watching here on Dow future. I want to see how the fair value gap. We have a fair value gap here. We have a fair value gap here. We have a fair value gap here. This fair value gap is serving as a support to the movement, while the fair value gap here serving as a resistance. So the moment the market is still trading in here, in this second fair value gap, and this one remains a support to it, I'll still be watching 39,283.36 as my target. But the moment the second fair value gap here that was serving as a support gives way and the market was able to trade conveniently below it, let me change it for us to let me change the I think the color, uh, let me change the color to something else. So the moment the yellow box gives way and market was able to take out this low and close below this low, I will automatically switch my gears to being bearish on Dow. But presently, I'm still not yet bearish because I'm not here to call the tops and bottom. But I'm still was bullish on Dow for now. But let's see how the market moves and gives us if the market will be able to trade below it, because Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, they move together. They move together. So they are correlated. But the moment there is a crack in that movement, then that means something else is coming into the market where maybe you have to switch or your bias. But presently, I'm not interested in switching a bias. I'm not in a hurry. But I will be trading Dow the coming week. I'll be trading it with a lesser leverage. With a lesser leverage. It's a lesser leverage. Let me see. I want to check something here. So, I'm yet to see. So, on US 30, otherwise known as Dow, I still expect the market to give us this high. Should give us this high, then possibly give us that high. But if the market trades below this yellow box here, we have to switch and start focusing on what? We'll start focusing on being bearish, and that will automatically nullifies what we intended on Nasdaq and S&P 500. Not that those levels will not be taken. Those levels might be taken. Also, the what is it called? The structure might also shift. So let's see what the coming weeks news has for us. But personally, I'm still interested in Dow going for 39283.36. So I'm still interested in Dow visiting that level. Yeah. So the last but not the least, gold. So gold, gold to what? To all-time high. All-time high. All-time high. Gold is back to all-time high. Now, as of last week, I was interested in 2088.545. It was taken on Monday, and 2110.115 was also taken on Monday. Is that a coincidence? No. So I said the market should be able to give us the midpoint of this candle here, then possibly the high of it. The market has traded above it. So the market gold is also trading on all-time high. All-time high. So what do we expect in gold? What do I expect? Let me put it that way. What do I expect in gold? Personally, on gold, I'll cross my legs. Personally, I'll cross my legs. Or all hands will be on decks when it comes to gold. But if I'm to push a button, I'll push a button in favor of being bullish. I'll push a button in favor of what? Of being bullish. Now, when I'm being bullish, I'm personally looking towards 2300 round figure on dollar. So I think the gold market should be able to trade up to 2300 long term. Should be able to give us that much. I'm not interested in trading gold for now, but if I'll be watching out for scalping, I'll be watching out being bullish on gold. I'll be watching out for being bullish on gold. So I wanted to mark. Let me do this way. I want to give a coordinate to. Okay, 2300 round figure. So I will be interested in gold giving us that much. That should be able to give us that much. But at least we should see 2200 be a minimum of 2200. 2200. So that is on gold. On gold, minimum of 2200. So 2200 is even closer. 2200, we expect a movement towards 2200, then 2300. So that is that for this week's analysis. Thank you for being part of the family once again. Thank you for growing the channel with us, and thank you for being there as always. And also a quick disclaimer: everything in this video, every fucking thing in this video is for educational purpose. Everything in this video is of my own personal opinion, and that does not mean it's a trade signal. whatever button you push, you hold yourself to be responsible for it. So everything in this video is for educational purpose and educational purpose alone. So I wish you all a nice week ahead, a profitable week ahead, and a lovely week ahead as well. Thank you for being with me this far. Thank you. I really, really, really love you guys. Bye for now.